What's up, my dudes? We are doing a dog vlog.
Yeah.
Because the dogs are here.
Don't even think that's a thing, but
Yeah, dog vlog. Comment down below, dog vlog. What dogs
Can't
have you got?
reach.
Have you got any pets?
Yeah.
I said get the ball. See, we're in Midget Town. Midget Squad.
Yeah. Well, we can lift 6 kilos though.
Yeah, 6 kilos, chuck it down. Now watch this. Midget knows what he's doing. And then Midget gonna go open the gate. And then Midget has done life.
And
Midget
then
life.
the 6 kilo ball is still there.
And hello. Scary.
Now let me pick up the 6 kilo ball.
Bruh.
Oh yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel too.
No, my channel only. Right, get inside.
Shameless plug. Maybe we should check the paws.
Nah, we shouldn't. And
And scatter.
go, run. No, don't run then. They're like 5Ks.
Shut your sister's door.
Gotta shut a door so they don't go toilet. And there's my mum. And yeah. Good for you, Rosie. Rosie Buddy.
Buddy!
There he is. I think you saw him.
Yeah, you just watch. Go on again.
Buddy, come on!
Rosie's a good girl at least.
Go.
Jeez, Rosie.
They're scared of this face. We were just watching some Fortnite Battle Royale.
We're gonna get copyrighted.
No, you didn't see. Type that. Don't copyright. Okay. Can't see anything. Don't get copyright. No, you don't see anything. No, it's all good. I only got like 3 subscribers. Brr.
Yeah, but my channel is called Cooper Cannon. It's the one with the picture because there's like 5 of them.
Move when you finish with them same methods.
Right.
Behind the pool.
Do you like the dog vlog?
Bro, alright, you're gonna now vlog Rosie. No, she's not.
Oh, yeah, that's Buddy there. Can always tell.
There's no purpose of this video. You do life now.
What are you sniffing?
Buddy.
Look, oh, look how cute he is.
He ain't that cute.
Look at your top bud.
Maybe switch the camera around.
Nah, it won't let you in a video. So, can you see yourself?
Can.
Okay.
Hey, that's
And we gotta shoot.
That's my bad.
Now get smacked. Scared. Ow. There's no purpose of this video
Buddy, come on, let's start.
because we just got measuring tapes.
Yep.
That's how do you read this measuring tape?
Jeez.
Oh, by the way, when you play with measuring tapes, it comes back fast, so you kind of just chuck it, and it kind of just rolls up.
Okay, that's fine.
Alright. Now we're probably going to get a time lapse of the dogs doing their thing. So, yeah.
Let's take the dogs outside and get the time lapse.
Alright.